Hello everybody, this is Patti. How's everybody doing today? I am getting ready to do an unboxing that I received from Amazon. This is not all of my order, but this is a portion of it. So let's get right to it. Welcome to my channel. And let me see here. I may need scissors. I don't know. This is a gift, and I'm not going to take all of them out of the box, just one. This is a charger plate, and I've ordered a set of 6 for a gift. So these are very pretty. They're silver, and they have the little crystals around. So I thought these were really nice to adorn someone's dinner table. So I have this. I'm going to be very careful with them because I don't want to break anything. Okay. And this is a little something, a basting spoon, wooden spoon that I ordered. It is KitchenAid, and this will be one of the gifts when I do my my little giveaway. So this is really nice. And you guys, I have some clips here to hold my flag in place that's in my yard, and I needed some more clips. You can see those. And I have the little stopper to keep the flag from blowing off the stand. I have some of those that came with that. And I probably could have gotten them from the store, but since I was ordering anyway, I just said, well, I may as well go on and get these. And this is a gift also. These are stainless steel spoon rests. And I have 2 of them here. So I think I am going to give one to one person and one to another person. This is stainless steel, really heavy duty, really nice spoon rest. I like that. And it's really good quality. I didn't know what it would look like, but it is very good quality. So got that. And I needed some more charger plates myself. So I ordered me some more charger plates. This is a 6-piece charger set with the napkin rings to go with it. So I'm not gonna pull all of these from the box. I'm just going to show you one. Oh, this is really nice. This is the napkin ring. Pretty. I have 6 of these. And let me show you now. This is mine. And I ordered another charger set for somebody else, but I had to send it back because one of the plates was broken. Look at that. This is mine. Crocodile pattern. And I like this, and it is gold. So I really like it. I have 6 of these charger plates. I felt it was time for me to get some more, to get some new ones. So I did. And let's see what else I have here. I have salt and pepper shakers, and this will probably be a giveaway gift at some point in time. This is the pepper shaker, and This is the little salt shaker. And I thought this was cute. Cute little set. And let's see what else I have in this box. I have a little kitchen towel. Look at that. Nice little kitchen towel. This may be a giveaway. I don't know yet. And I have a little set here to do my nails. And I did buy some cuticle oil, so I don't have that in the box. I think it's in another room, so I'm not going to go and get it. But this is the little set so I can start doing my nails. Okay, and this is really neat. This is a runner tablescape for my dining room table. And let me open this. I haven't opened it yet to see what it looks like. This is an Amazon haul for today. And I know I have some more. Oh, this is nice. It is linen. Look at this. Once I put it on my table, I'll come back and show you guys. Look at this. Isn't this neat? It is linen, and look at the design on that. I like that stitch. Really, really nice runner for my dining room table. And here it is. So you guys, I just wanted to share this with you all. And I thank you so much for joining, for subscribing, for all of the love and watching, commenting. Don't forget to tap that notification bell to be reminded of all uploads, and then press all so you will never miss another video. So this is all I have for right now. And please put that thumb up and subscribe. I thank you so much. And I will be doing a giveaway soon. And I'll come back and tell you how we're going to play the game. And until then, stay blessed and stay safe. I love you all. This is Patti, Patti's Southern Kitchen. Bye now.